Oh, the rain's really coming down. This is in Pensacola. Thought I'd record this. As I went to the mailbox, I haven't checked my mail in a couple of days. Really coming down. We have chance of flooding, flash flooding. It's doing pretty good already. Flooding a lot of the area in the apartment complex I live in. Water everywhere. Wow. It's kind of crazy me out here on this. Thought I could run down here real quick. And then the rain got more stronger. Kind of fun playing in the rain anyway. Got lots of water here. Anyway, this is our day in Pensacola, Florida. Sunshine State. Hey! We have tropical storms here too. Anyway, this is what's going on today. And does it make for a fun beach day? But anyway, it's still kind of fun. There you are. A look at what's going down here in Florida. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.